In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip how to replace zeros with dash symbol. In this data source, we have project title, length and width fields. Suppose we need to write one calculation, that is length divided by width. So calculation name length by width. So calculation will be sum of length divided by sum of width. Click OK. Let me drag this calculation onto the measure values card. Okay, so here let's enable one decimal point. Right click format and choose one decimal point. Okay, so this value is 0 because length is 0 divided by 100 is 0, and here it is returning a null, so there are no values in length and width. In this case 0 divided by 0 is null, and also here as well 75 divided by 0 is it returns null. In all these cases where the value is null or 0, we need to replace with dash. So instead of writing a new calculation um, using if condition, if null then show the dash symbol, if 0 then show the dash symbol, we can simply use format option. For that, simply go to the format options, select custom, and then at the end add semicolon and one dash. So now zeros are replaced with dash, but still nulls are showing the blank. So to make nulls to zeros, we have a function, that is zn function. Right click, edit, add zn and click OK. So now zn replaces nulls with zeros, and this format option replaces zeros with dash symbol. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.